Hi people. Okay, so it's been a long time since I've done an unboxing, but I'm very happy to announce that I finally got the mini brands Fill the Fridge, and I'm waiting to open it because I wanted y'all to be able to see what it is like. Yeah, I don't know why it took me so long to get it. It's been out for a while, but I saw it on sale at Target, so I said, yep, let's get that. And so I got it, and here I am, and I wanted to also be like, hey, you know what, people? Mini Brands freaking followed me on the Instagrams the other day, and I was like, what? Felt like such a cool kid. So there's that. I got my little scissors because these are notoriously hard to open, as are all their little balls and things. Oh, they also, you know what else? They also have little tiny vinyls that are coming out, and they're very reminiscent of hit clips. If you're a millennial like myself, you'll remember hit clips from the olden days, you know, the Britney era, the boy band era, all that. So it's basically like that, but they're shaped like little vinyls, and they play on the little vinyl record player. I'm really excited about those, for mainly because I saw they're gonna have a Britney one, and y'all know I do love me some Britney. So let's see if I can get this freaking fridge open. All right. Maybe. We're getting there. It's a task. But yeah, that's our little mini brands news for those that actually are into these little thingies like I am. I know there's like a whole interwebs community, which is pretty cool, that I'm not the only adult out there that loves the little thingies. So I know that in here, ooh, look, you open it and it lights up. Oh my god. Now I'm dropping things. I know that in here they have, there's like a switch on the back to turn it to UV. So like, you know, when I'm making those little tiny mini foods from the Mini Brands Make It Mini balls, I could put it in there and it'll cook it or seal it, whatever. Y'all know what I mean. So that's pretty cool. So it can be like, hey, look in my fridge, or it can be like, hey, I'm about to cure my little mini brand thing. So I kind of like the blue light, so we'll leave it on the blue light while I open. Super cute, super duper cute. All right, let's see what we got in here. Jelly glue. I'm not sure. Oh, oh my god! I thought it was just gonna come with like little, like just little minis, like the pre-made ones that you don't have to make. This is, oh my god, how cute. It looks like this is a thing that you can make in your refrigerator. Wow. Has little orange slices. How adorable on the plate. So you gotta glue those on there. Oh man. Okay, let's see. Let's not lose anything yet. Oh, and again, I love the sensory experience of opening these, because like the paper is just supreme. Oh my god, how cute. I think it's to make like a little fruit cake thing, like a Jello fruit cake thing. How cute is that gonna be? Wow. I'm so excited to make this. And then it has the little lid, and you put on tops. Oh my god, so cute. And the little things so you can strategically place your little orange slices. Freaking adorable. Now let's see what else we got in here. Is this gonna be another thing I can make? Let's see. Enjoy the paper. Alright, hold on. See what we got. It appears to be does this, oh, I think this is a shelf. So yes, we have our little shelf to put in our little fridge so that we can fill the fridge. Oh, that's probably why it's called fill the fridge. Let's open, oh, oops. Open this. Oh yeah, it's a bunch of, oh, it's all the little shelves, so you can just take the instructions out. That might help. So you can do this, and this, I think this goes on the side here, so you can put your little beverages. Oh yeah, that's where that goes. Like that. Oh, so cool. Oh man, this is so, so, so cool. Then this goes here somewhere. Yes, it does go there somewhere. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this here. Wow, this is fun. I love this. I keep putting it on upside down. Oops. All right, put that there. And then we put the little shelves in the little cubby holes, whatever you call them. Okay. So we got that. Now let's see what's in the freezer. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at them. It's got little tiny drawers. Freaking adorable. All right, let's see what's in the little tiny drawers. Love the paper. Okay. Ooh, we get some Pizza Hut. I like pizza. Does it actually have pizza in it? It has pizza in it. It's leftover pizza, so we definitely want, oh man, I'm breaking it already. Oops. Oops. All right, I'll fix that later. We put that in our fridge, our little Pizza Hut. And then, what is this? Ramuni. I don't know what that is, but it looks like a beverage of some sort. Super cute. So we put that in there. Make it messy like my real fridge. How cute! Olipop Vintage Cola. Don't mind my nails. I haven't done them, but it's fine. I'm just saying. Okay, and then what do we have? Ooh, I like this. Mike's Hot Honey. Try to make it focus. So cute. Put that in our fridge. Oh, and we got some more little sodas. Olipop Classic Root Beer. Very nice. Put that in there. Close it so it doesn't fall out. Like some of the things already did, because I'm a little clumsy. And we gotta feel the paper again. Oh my goodness, this is an ice scoop, I believe. So cute. Hold on. So I'm guessing that this is the ice drawer, because this is the freezer. So let's put that in there. We don't have any ice yet. Maybe I have to get more balls to try to find ice. We do have another little soda. Olipop Strawberry Vanilla. That sounds pretty good. So we'll put that. Oh, what a mess. What a disaster. Put that in there. This is super cute and super, super funny that like the only like food that it came with was the little Jello thing and the little pizza, because you know I do love pizza and I love sweets and I do love beverages. So super cute. Freaking love it. I cannot wait to get more things for my fridge. However, oh yes. The magnet. It comes with magnets. I was like, where did my magnet go? It does come with the magnets, and you can put them on there. It's a little watermelon. Oh, so cute. So, yes. Very, very much enjoyed this. I'm gonna have to get some more things to fill my fridge with, because this is not a very healthy diet.